I'm back with the 1951 GMC Stances Everything project, aka Project Why Wait. I'm going to give you guys an update of where I am last time. If you remember the last video, I was stuck on what to do with my core support after mounting my outer fenders and inner fenders. I figured that out now based on some comments from you guys, so thanks a lot for everyone who sort of reached out afterward and gave me some tips. What I actually ended up doing was cutting off the bottom of my core support and putting in this angle iron to make a new bottom of my core support. The reason that I did that was I figured that by the time I cut my core support to clear that steering box, I would have had to kick the radiator forward anyway. And if I was going to do that, why wouldn't I just make a shorter core support down there and then run the radiator sort of all the way up to here, which comes up to about, I believe it's 19 or 20 inches high here and 22 inches wide, something like that. So I think I should be able to find a radiator that will do what I need. The next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to build a mount that comes off of my core support here and mounts on the frame. And to do that, I've actually had this cut. Tailored Customs helped me get this cut probably about 3 years ago now. And the idea is that I'll bend this, mount this portion to the frame, and then this slotted bit will mount to the radiator support. And the reason that I need the slotted bit for the radiator support is because to get the hood to line up back here properly, it actually hinges on how the front end of the truck is. So nothing is mounted right now, and you can see that there's a lot of up and down play in the front end, and that's actually what they use to line the hood up back there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go grab my hood, slap it on here, throw a jack underneath, jack everything up to where it needs to be, tighten everything down, and then mark where I need to kind of roughly place those core support mounts. On that note, I don't know if any of you have aligned these front ends before, but getting all of these various bolts in is a absolute nightmare in some cases. Some bolts, like these ones, go through 3 different panels. This truck's from 1951. It's been a farm truck. It's been sitting around for a while. I've done a bunch of stuff to it. So as you can imagine, getting these to line up is something else. But, you know, after a while, you sort of figure it out and you get halfway decent at it. Use a lot of things like screwdrivers to kind of jam through the holes and wiggle things around. You also end up taking off the headlight, so you can reach in here to get the bolts for up there, for that bolt right there. But anyway, I figured all that out. That's cool. I'm pretty stoked on my progress so far, and hopefully I can keep things moving on into the next year. So if I don't see you guys until then, Happy New Year, Happy Holidays, all that jazz. I'll give you guys an update as quickly as possible. And the next one, I know I've been talking about the back half, but hopefully I'll get to the back half next. If not, you know, more front end stuff. See you guys later.